There we go. We make our clients work at Hair for All London. Put your own super sport solution on your head before we attach the system.
Yeah,
Thank you, Simon. Simon's doing a great job. Turn around and face me a minute. There we go. First part of our video. And what adhesive have we got there?
Phantom.
Phantom.
Is that another one of the Walker products?
Yeah. No, sorry, ProLabs. Ghost Bond.
Is it the same as the...
It actually works well for people that sweat.
Right,
water.
okay, super.
So
That's
there we
me
go.
then. Another day at the gym added onto the calendar.
Yeah, exactly. Right, okay, so Zoe's a tap with tape around the perimeter and put a small application of Ultra Hold adhesive. And that hopefully will last a good 3 weeks. That's the hair system, and Zoe's just pressing down the lace at the front, as you can see, very natural.
I'm just saying, Phil, you need to open up a store in Norfolk.
You need to be the consultant up there, please.
Yeah, absolutely. You're very in demand, I think.
Seeing now we've got hair system on your head, you get ID'd everywhere you go.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Constantly to, yeah. Every time I try and buy an energy drink now, I've got to get the
That's
driving
it.
licence out, yeah. Oh, if only.
Oh. Not going to go the one direction now, are you?
No, I think that's a few years ago for me, that one.
Is it going to be swept back slightly, or?
Yeah, I'd quite like to keep the similar sort of style that I did when I had the first system, which was, yeah. Sort of,
Back off your face a bit.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I think I made the right choice by having it cut.
Got boyish looks, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holding on to him.
Well done.
It's good for 50.
How old are
Better
you?
for 60. 40 now, but you can edit that bit out of the video. You can
Well,
overdub
no,
that
I'm
bit
going to
for
keep that
21.
in.
Yeah.
Keep that in because people won't believe you're 40.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Simon. Turn around and face me, swivel. Look at that. Give us a smile. Turn
Not the
around
worst
that
smile in
way.
the world.
No, it's not. That's it. Go on, spin around like I do on my videos. You've watched enough, haven't you?
Yeah, I have seen a few of them. You're right.
Well, make fun then. I go wee all the way round.
I don't want to mess the hair up.
That's it. You happy?
Yeah, absolutely, mate.
Come on, give us a
Absolutely.
big thumbs up then.